Hi, I'm Mark from Carmarthen Cameras, and today we are really excited to show you 3 new products from German Precision Optics, GPO, very high quality optical manufacturer. Primarily we have 2 brand new to the market spotting scopes. We have the 20 to 60 by 85 and the 16 to 48 by 65 spotting scopes. APO designation. That is an incredibly high quality of optics. They are metal bodied with a rubber armour coating. They have IPX5 weatherproofing, which means that basically you can go out in the rain in them with no problem at all. You can't get them submerged, but you go out and it's raining, no problem at all. They have the normal features you would find on a spotting scope, except made to a really high standard. So they have the eye cups to alter for your own comfort, whether you wear spectacles or not, or the shape of your eye socket to accommodate that. They have the zoom on the eyepiece, and they have very well made, beautifully made extending lens hoods. Even they feel quality. The front cap is a push-on type cap, which comes on and off very easily. They get lost very easily, so it's quite nice that you're able to pull them off and stick them in your pocket or your bag, and then when you're ready to use them again, you've got them there and you can just simply pop them back on, like so. Right, so metal bodied, rubber armour coated, rainproof quality scopes. The other new product is quite an interesting one, and I think is going to sell hugely because it's such an elegant device. And this is a mount for your binoculars to put onto your tripod. This comes in 2 parts. You have the stand, which screws onto your tripod plate in the standard fashion, and then you have a second part which is a little spigot that screws into the tripod thread of your binocular. Nearly all binoculars, certainly quality binoculars, have this ability to put a tripod thread into it. So you screw that on, it's out of the way. You can use your binoculars as normal. There's no effect on how you work the binocular. But what you do then, once you've got this on your tripod, you simply pop it on, screw it tight, and off you go. GPO give you 2 of these spigots. So you can have one each for your partner, your spouse, whoever's going to be using some binoculars alongside you. They could have that in their binoculars, you've got one in yours, and all you do is change between the tripod between you. The smaller scope, going back to these, the smallest 65mm scope, this is a 16 to 48 magnification, comes with a stay-on case, which is nice and handy to keep it tidy, put it over your shoulder to carry it around. This one does not come with a case, but that is an accessory that is available separately. So there we have it. Special launch price, very competitively priced. We have the larger 85mm scope coming in at £899. That's £50 off the recommended price. And then we've got this one coming in at £749, which again is £50 off the recommended price. So on launch, these are on a special price. And believe you me, when you compare these to other scopes, which may be more expensive, these come out fantastically well.
Oh, oh wow.